Meaning of Face the Nation.
Face the nation.
Face the nation.
Face the nation.
Face the nation. Face the Nation is a weekly political and news program that airs on CBS. The show features interviews with government officials, politicians, and experts on various topics of national importance. The title Face the Nation stems from the program's focus on discussing difficult issues and holding those in power accountable for their actions. Each episode aims to provide insight into current events and help viewers better understand the complex issues facing the country. Overall, Face the Nation serves as a platform for informed discussion and analysis of key political and social issues.